Hello children, myself Meshram Sir, Kalpataru Vidya Mandir Sindevahi. This is third standard, subject English, and lesson name is The Wooden Bowl. In the previous video, we had seen some part of this story. Here, the Manfred and Thekla bought a wooden bowl for his father, Kurt, and everyday father sits in the corner for eating food. Okay, now one day Manfred and Thekla they finished their work. Manfred and Thekla they finished their work and came to home. They came to home and Thekla was preparing a food, evening food, and when she made a food, when Thekla prepared food, that time she called Willem. She called Willem for food. When in our home meal became ready, our mother called for taking food. Like this, the Willem's mother Thekla called the Willem. But Willem was not in his room. Willem was not in his room. Means he was not there. Willem was not there. And so that Thekla worried about that. Thekla worried about that because the Willem was not in his room. And she asked the old man. She asked the old man, Kurt, have you seen the Willem? Now the old man said, no. He shook his head. He shook his head. I don't know where Willem. Now Thekla said the Manfred. Thekla said the Manfred, and Manfred and Thekla began to search. Manfred and Thekla began to search. They started to search because Willem was not in the home, so that they came outside the house and they started to search the Willem. And Willem was not on the road also. He was not in the home. Willem was not in the home. Willem was not in the home. He was not on the road. And when the Manfred and Thekla were returning in the home, that time they saw a light. They saw a light in the workshop. Light in the workshop. Manfred and Thekla saw a light in the workshop. And in the night time, the light in the workshop, when they saw, that time they surprised, because every day they switch off the light when they come in the home, but the light was on in the workshop. Now they went there. Manfred and Thekla, they went there in the workshop and they saw that there was a Willem. Where was Willem? Where was Willem? Willem was in the workshop and he was working. Willem was working. Willem was working in the workshop. And what type of work he was doing? The Willem was making a wooden bowl. He was making a wooden bowl for his father and mother. Willem was making a wooden bowl for father and his mother. Means he was making wooden bowl for Manfred and Thekla. And when the Manfred and Thekla saw our son Willem is making wooden bowl for us, so that they realize, Manfred and Thekla realize their mistake. They realize their mistake we every day give food parent Kurt. Every day we give food in the wooden bowl, and without complaint, Kurt eat the food sitting in the corner. This is the mistake realized William and Thekla. And William and Thekla, when they realized their mistake, the Thekla started to cry. Because she also realized that this was the bad thing we are doing. Means they were giving a food to the Kurt in the wooden bowl, and Kurt was every day sits in the corner without complaint. He takes the food, and so that they realize their mistake. And now Thekla's and Manfred's eyes filled with tears, and they decided from that day that we should not do a such thing. Means the old man Kurt is our father, and so that we should respect that old person. Agar if we do not give respect, William will not give respect to us, so that we should give a respect to that old person. And now they came into the house, and from that day, every day, Manfred, Thekla, William and Kurt sits together for eating, and Kurt also are very happy now. Okay, this is the lesson wooden bowl. Means here one message for us. The message is we should give respect to old person. This is the message of this story. Okay, here we have finished this story. I am asking a question, and you have to write in your notebook. Where did the family live? The family lived in a small town in Germany. Answer is the family lived in a small town in Germany. Who lived with his son and daughter-in-law? Kurt lived with his son, daughter-in-law. What did Manfred do for living? What was the occupation of the Manfred? Carpentry. Manfred was a carpenter. Who was Thekla? Next question is, who was Thekla? The Thekla was Manfred's wife, William's mother, and Kurt's daughter-in-law. Who sometime broke a glass? Kurt sometime broke a glass. Whose hand used to shake? Next question is, whose hands used to shake? Kurt's hand. Old man Kurt's hand used to shake. Now, who was making a wooden bowl? William. Who was making wooden bowl? William was making a wooden bowl. Okay, these are the question A to G. I told you the answer, and you have to write the answer in your notebook. Okay, now other part of the exercise we will see next video. Thank you.